I've just boiled this delicious bone for my buddy Charlie. Watch her reaction. Let me give it to her. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. Hi. Oh, I got a treat for you? Oh, I got a treat for you? What would you like? What would you like? Would you like this? Maybe a bone? Would you like this? Huh? You like that? The giant bone?